YouTube, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. You've clicked on this video because you're trying to find a working method to get free Steam gift cards in 2024. I've managed to find possibly the easiest, there's no possibly about it. I've tried every method and this is the easiest way to get your free Steam gift card codes in 2024. So let's get into it, guys. Basically, open up the internet on your mobile phone and go to this website, www.topdogcodes.com. So you need to go to topdogcodes.com, this website here, and when you reach this website, just search what you're looking for. So obviously we're looking for Steam, and you need to go to the Steam gift cards and codes page. Open that up, scroll down, and there's a couple of different options here. You can get a $100 free Steam gift card code. Alternatively, you can get a code that will basically remove the cost of any game you choose. So in this case, I'm going to be choosing the free Steam gift card code page. Click on show coupon, and you need to unlock your personal Steam code, guys. Obviously, these are quite desirable codes, and this method prevents basically someone from stealing every code that's available on Top Dog Codes. So what you're going to need to do, guys, is tap Unlock Code. And I'm not going to do it, but basically you're going to see a new screen appear, and it's going to run you through the steps on how to unlock your code. It takes about 5 minutes. You need to complete a couple of these free tasks. I've done this loads of times and I've gotten loads of free gift card codes, but yeah, super easy, guys. So go to topdogcodes.com and follow the instructions you've seen here. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. I know this video is super quick and the tutorial was pretty simple, but yeah, the process is pretty easy, so just follow through these steps and enjoy, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.